Civil 3D cannot create a true vertical edge on a surface. This is a limitation of the application. While it's possible to approximate a vertical edge or face, Civil 3D provides no automation to do this. The Create Wall Surface command will automate the creation of a nearly vertical surface to simulate a wall-like feature. The command achieves this by adding a very slight horizontal offset from the bottom of the wall to the top of the wall. The resulting wall surface can then be added to another surface, used as a corridor target, or used for visualization. The Create Wall Surface command is developed and provided by WizDot. The Create Wall Surface command requires that a feature line, a survey figure, or 3D polyline representing the bottom of wall break line is in the drawing. My drawing here, I have a 3D polyline I've already drawn. It's going to represent my bottom of wall. I'm going to go ahead on the MDT design ribbon. I'm going to go over and click on Create Wall Surface. It's going to ask me to select a feature line, a survey figure, or a 3D polyline. I'm going to select my 3D polyline. Now it's going to ask me to pick a side to offset. This will be the high side of the wall. I'm going to pick over to the right and just pick a point over here. It's going to ask me how I want to build the wall. I can build it to a height, and the resulting top of wall surface elevation will vary to achieve the specified height at all locations. So I could enter in 8 feet, and the wall will be 8 feet at every location along my wall line. I can enter a minimum height, which will make the top of wall surface flat and the minimum elevation. Or I can enter a direct elevation, and the top of the wall will be flat at that elevation. I'm going to add height. When I enter my height, it's going to be 8 feet. And then I can enter a surface name and hit enter. And it created my wall. You can see that the color changed here from cyan to yellow. The yellow is displayed that way because of the surface style. And it's going to continue the command. It's going to ask me if I want to pick another line. I'm just going to hit escape and say no. If I go ahead and grab my existing surface and my wall surface, and look at it in the object viewer, I can see the yellow down here, so I'm going to zoom in on that area. I'm going to try to rotate this view here a little bit and zoom in, and you can see that it created a wall-like feature here. It's coming up from my existing ground.